In this demonstration, we're going to look at configuring Group Policy Folder Redirection. So the purpose of Group Policy Folder Redirection is to take anything that's in the C:\users / whoever your user is, for example documents, pictures, desktop, and redirect that to a central location. And this will support any users who do a lot of hot desking. As they log into their device, it'll use the group policy, and the group policy will then point them at their files sitting on a file server. So I've come into my Group Policy Management console. I'm just going to create a new group policy at my domain level, and I'm just going to call this folder redirection. And we'll select OK. And then what we'll do is we'll just edit this group policy. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come to our user settings, our user configuration. We're going to come to policies. We're going to go for Windows settings, and then we're going to go for folder redirection. Then what we're going to do is we're going to just redirect documents. But as you can see, we can redirect all of these folders here. And if you wanted to, they could all be on separate servers. So I'll come to documents, I'll right click, I'll go to properties, and then what we'll do is we'll configure it. So we can either go for basic, redirect everybody's folder at the same location, or we can go for advanced, where we specify locations for various user objects. So just at this point here, we'll go for specify locations for various user objects. What we're going to do at this point here is we're going to add in a security group. And the security group we're going to add in here will be our marketing group. So we'll just browse this through. We'll start typing in marketing. We'll find the marketing group and we'll select OK. Then what we'll do is we'll come down to our target folder location. And what we're going to do is we're just going to specify that we're going to create a folder for each user under the root path. Or if we click on the drop down, we can do it to redirect to the user's home directory, or redirect to the following location where we specify location, or we can redirect to the local user profile. So what we're going to do at this point here is we're going to create a folder for a user under the root path. And the next thing we have to specify is the root path. Now I'm just going to specify //lon-dc1 /departments /marketing. Now we've done all of that, we just need to select our OK button. And then OK again. So the warning's just telling us if there are group policy settings related to folder redirection that do not apply to Windows 2000 workstation, 2000 server, Windows XP or 2003, you will not be able to change any folder redirection settings. Do I want to continue? I've got a Windows 10 device, so we'll say yes. So now what we've done is we've now set up the group policy folder redirection. So the next thing to do is to go to our client PC and just enforce the group policy so we can do the group policy folder redirection. So I've come into PowerShell, and all I'm going to do is just do a gp update /force. I'll hit return here. This will go through and update the group policies. And once the group policies are updated, the next thing to do is we'll log in as a user called Bill, who's a member of the marketing department, to see if the group policy folder redirection has indeed worked. So we'll just wait for this to finish. So at this point here, are we okay to actually log off? Yes, we are. So it's logging off the user, and then what we'll do is we'll just log in as Bill. So we're going to go for another user. We're going to go for Bill, and then we'll put in Bill's password. Now what's going to happen at this point here, Bill's going to log in. It's going to build Bill's profile. And once Bill's profile is up and running, the next thing we can do is we can come into File Explorer and just check to make sure that his documents are redirected. So at this point here, you've probably seen this before. We won't sit and watch this. I'll just pause the presentation and return back once Bill is logged in. We're now logged in as Bill, so let's come into File Explorer. We can see straight away this has worked because we've now got the synchronization icon. So we know it's worked, but let's have a look at the properties anyway. And what we're looking for here is we're looking for the location. So in the case of Bill's documents will be redirected along DC1, Department, Marketing, and Bill. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.